Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. I got my Boxycharm by Ipsy. So this is what I see. So I did call it Ipsy like 4 or 5 times. So this time I said it correctly. This is Boxycharm by Ipsy. I don't know what's going on, like if eventually they'll be out of these boxes and they'll be using a new logo. I really don't know. But there's the Ipsy logo. It says to you from you right there. And I did cut it open and let's see what I have. I know what I have because this is where they show you 2 items and you pick 3. So this subscription is 5 full-size items. And you can also have add-ons if you want. You can add on if you want. These items they are picking a couple of things that they are calling power picks, and then you get to pick out of 6 items. You get to pick number 3, number 4, number 5 of what you have in here. Okay, this is $28 a month, $27.99 or $28, I don't remember, and $1.99 for the handling. So it's basically $30 a month, and if you buy it for longer than a month, you will you'll get some discount on it. So it has a big ding in it, and I hope everything's okay in there. So, but this, I cut it open. Here comes the train. Open it up. This is a box that sort of collapses on itself. It says, discover yourself, and my eye itches. And this is my stuffing, my fabulous stuffing. There is a card that comes in here. For the month of May, it is Let Yourself Bloom. And in this card, it says, you know, it just has some informational things. Ahead of the pack, summer vacay on the books, you know, whatever. It talks about some things. You can go visit their website. On the inside, it says SPF Mythbusters, and it talks to you about SPFs inside. So there is such a large variety of what this box can consist of that they don't make a card for us. So what I do is I print from their website what I got. So I got, let me show you what they sent me. And the very first thing they picked for me is a palette. So I'm happy about that. This palette is valued at $40. It's Iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. So this is it. And when I first was seeing the Iconic London, I was talking to Laura the Bargain Hunter about it, and I was like, how is that a power pick, a power play or whatever? And she's like, oh, are you thinking of Ciate London? Yes, I am. So Ciate London, we get a lot of Ciate London in Allure and Ipsy, and there's nothing necessarily wrong with it, but it's not my favorite eyeshadow brand. So Iconic, I know I've had things by Iconic, but I probably have mixed them together, and I don't have any eyeshadows. If I've had them in the past, I've given them away. So let's see what this is. Beachside Babe. It's in here quite tight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it out of here. Youch, okay. It's very plain for such a fancy name, Beachside Babe. I think there'd be all these colors on it. It's just white with gold letter, very pretty. I mean, you know, very clean looking. And then it has a mirror on one side, and oh, these are really pretty. There's, let's see, 6 shimmers and 6 mattes. So very summery colors. That is very pretty. Valued at $40. Bring out the beachy vibes any time of year with this Glam 12 shade eyeshadow palette, inspired by a tropical vacay with velvety mattes and buttery shimmer shades. This palette helps you to create endless day to night looks in a matter of minutes. It is very pretty, I will say that. A lot of yellowy oranges that is not necessarily my thing. I like the dark stuff over here. I like the shimmers. I'm not so sure about it, but I was gonna maybe want to, swatch it, but I don't know if I'll use it. So we'll put it aside for a moment because I have another palette. So that's the crazy thing about this particular box. Okay. The next thing they sent me, or that they picked for me, I should say, is the brand Pure. This is the Big Look Extreme Mascara with Argan Oil. So this is valued at $22. And let's see what it looks like. It's a pretty container, very pretty. Big look with argan oil. And I've had pure mascaras before, but never, this is new. The argan oil stuff in the mascaras is new to me. If I've seen it before, I don't recall. But this is a really pretty container. It's plastic, like clear lucite outside of this red or pink or fuchsia, whatever that is. Very, very pretty, $22 value there. And next, my choices. Okay, so choice number one for me was I could pick 5 eye brushes by Beauty For Real. That was a contender. 29 Palms Spring brand cream blush. That was a, I'm sorry, 29 Palms brand serum. There was a cream blush, don't recall the name. There was a coffee scrub. I don't care for coffee scrubs. And there was the Vanilla Sky Rollerball, which I've had before. I have it here somewhere. And then there was a palette. So, of course, I'm going to pick a palette. I mean, that's always a number one. And this is Iconic London. It happens to be the same brand. This is called Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. And look at how big this is. And again, very plain packaging as far as, you know, just a flat color. It's nice brass looking copper, maybe. Let's open it up and see. Of course, it has a mirror. It's very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Now, I was thinking that in the picture doesn't look, the picture that they have on the website does not look as fabulous as this looks. And this might not look fabulous to you. A lot of times, swatching it is what makes the difference. But look at this one called Money Plant. It's green with some gold chips in there. Gold flecks or something. There are quite a few shimmers and a few mattes. And I love this color story. This color story is more my color story than the other. So I don't know if I'm going to swatch that or not, y'all. It's so big. First of all, it's giant. And do I have a place for this? No. So I'm not sure. This is valued at $62, okay? So let me put that aside and then show you what my choice number 2 was. Choice number 2 was Aveda Style Spray, which I don't necessarily use a lot. There was a Josie Moran Lip Booster Gloss. It was a gloss, maybe a pinkish gloss, but it was a lip booster, which, you know, I don't care necessarily for those things. There was a Sela brand hand cream, Cab Cosmetics. There was what was a Cab Cosmetics? I didn't write it down. There was something from Cab Cosmetics. I don't remember offhand. And then there was a leave-in. Boy, I did a terrible job at making my notes here. There was a leave-in. Hang on, I'm going to look back. The Cab Cosmetics was a spray, you know, a setting mist. And then there was a brand that I didn't recognize, leave-in conditioner. So, and then there was this. Brushes. So these are the Makeup of the Day Cosmetics Fit Right Face Brush Set. So these are beautiful. This is valued at $30. There's 2 brushes. This one has a case around it. It's a nice angle. These are really pretty. They have a good weight. It's I think it's a wood handle. And so it's an angled brush with that case is nice. And then this nice big brush. So, very nice. I just, you know, I'm going to get palettes or I'm going to get brushes or mascaras. So, which brings me to category 5. My category 5, my pick number 3 was a Real Her eyeshadow stick that I already own in a brassy gold, whatever. And I don't really like eyeshadow sticks anyway. There was Lovecraft Beauty, a black eyeliner. There was Belle and Argent, a lip scrub that was in a lipstick style. And there was a primer, and there was a lip balm, and there was Josie Moran Argan Oil Mascara in black. So I have 2 palettes and 2 argan oil mascaras. So this is an odd bundle, $176 value. This is valued at $22. And it's Josie Maran. So Josie Maran is known for argan oil. And there were several products by Josie Maran in the choices. And anyway, so I have this, like I said, this Pure was the argan oil mascara. So I'll try one. I'm not sure I'll try both, but we'll see. And then I have these beautiful brushes. And then I have this palette, which is just stunning. Oops. Try not to. It's stunning. I love it. It's beautiful. Let me see. Let's see it right side up. I love it. Do I want to swatch it? Yes. But am I going to? No. And then I have this one, which is also very beautiful. Very beautiful. But I'm not going to swatch it either. These are not my colors here. Some of them are. Actually, a good bit of these I would wear. Maybe just not that one. These 2 I might not use. But the others I would. I just am going to think about it. If you get this in a future giveaway, I think I just, with, you know, the lovely plastic, I think I hit this one. I have a little notch in there now. Thank you, Mary, for doing that. Okay, anyway, this is really beautiful. I love these colors. Oh my goodness, I love them. I may swatch this at some point. We're gonna see. I'm trying to organize my palettes. I have too many, and I do try to rotate and use them. I do try, and yeah. So I don't know. This is really pretty, y'all. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got from not Ipsy, from Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I do have a link below if you'd like to join. They do have, sometimes they have things going on where you get so many points. They did for a minute or two, they had 1,800 points if you join, and then I would get that as well. I don't know if that's still going on. I do have some bags. Sometimes they tell me once in a rare while that I have some bags that are free that I can give away. How that works is if you get one of those bags from me, then you have a subscription. They want you to continue your subscription, but your first one is free, and it's for the glam bag. It's not for the Boxycharm. So, but if it's something you're interested in, you know, get with me and I'll find out more about it for you, okay? So thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings, and I hope you have a great day, week, weekend, night, whatever, whenever you're watching this. I really appreciate you all very much. I did change up my stuff a little bit. I'm not sure. I think I like it. So this looks crooked, but it isn't. If you're standing at the wall, it isn't. Well, maybe it's a little crooked. I don't know. But anyway, some of my Temu things. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Take care. Bye-bye.